Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build listening skills with Rosetta Stone, detailed guide step by step clearly. To build listening skills with Rosetta Stone, start by setting up your account. Download and install the Rosetta Stone application on your device. Choose the language you want to learn. Begin with the introductory lessons designed for beginners. Listen carefully to the audio clips provided in each lesson. Repeat the phrases aloud to improve your pronunciation. Take advantage of the speech recognition feature to refine your speaking skills. Engage with the interactive activities that focus on listening comprehension. Use the stories feature to listen to engaging narratives in your target language. After listening, answer the questions related to the stories to reinforce understanding. Practice listening daily to build familiarity with pronunciation and rhythm. Adjust the playback speed if necessary to better comprehend complex phrases. Incorporate the immersive experience by listening to music or podcasts in the target language. Explore the cultural notes provided alongside lessons to enhance contextual understanding. Join conversation practice groups offered by Rosetta Stone to enhance listening in real-life situations. Regularly review previous lessons to reinforce your listening skills over time. Stay consistent and patient as listening proficiency takes time to develop. Track your progress within the application to see how your skills improve. Incorporate your learning by using the target language in daily conversations wherever possible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.